Hi everyone, a short how-to video on making a cappuccino with the Maxim Seine X. Let's get started. Now let's make together a cappuccino. Starting with fill up the water, turning the machine on. Now here you can adjust the grind size. You can control the amount of the coffee by just using the touch screen. By pulling the left handle, the machine starts grinding your coffee. You can choose between automatic and manual mode. The grinder makes a really nice job. So using the WDT tool, just that, and the leveling tool, tamping the pack. Yes. Now this part is the built-in scale. This is for me a crucial feature that comes with the machine. I will use the standard double shot. Looking at the bottomless portafilter, it's always a great view. This is the milk pitcher that you get as well. Let's steam the milk. Pulling the right handle. Here you have also the automatic and the manual mode. With the automatic mode, steam will stop automatically, reaching the target temperature. I'm sure you can do better latte art job here. And that's it! A smooth, creamy cappuccino. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.